YouTube. I'm going to teach you how to play this song by the Black Angels called Evil Things. That's the main riff. There's actually 3 parts to this song. But the main, there's really 2 main parts. One part I'm going to show you is like a transition. Okay, but what you gotta know is this song is in B, that riff's played in the B minor pentatonic, okay? So that's in the 9th. And I'm gonna give you the notes for the B minor pentatonic. And then I'm gonna show you extension box. So the B minor pentatonic is 7, 10, 7, 9, 7, 9, 7, 9, 7, 10 on your B string, 7, 10 on your B string. Alright, now, this note 10, 7, 10 on the low E string, it's over here too, same note. So what a lot of people do is, when they get to the A string, they go down into this box down here, which is 5, 7, 5, 7. Okay, a lot of the riffs you can play with this. But this riff is played a 7 on the low E, 5 on the A string, back to the 7 on the low E. That's the first part. Then it goes 1, 2, 3, 4 on the 7 at the low E, 7th fret. Then it climbs up 5, 7 on the A string, and then it goes 8. It slides into 8, and then it climbs back down all the way to the 5 on the low E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the A, 7, 8 on the A, 7, 5, then 7, 5 on the low E, and that's how it ends. Alright, just practice it until you get, so you can play it easily. That's a good one to practice, like, you know, sitting on the couch watching TV. And that's also good practice just for that extension box on the lower pentatonic. It's not the only riff you're ever going to play with that. The next part of the song is like a little transition. So it goes B, and he's singing look. Then it goes to C sharp on the 9th and 11th. What we've done. And you go up to half step to the D at the 10th and 12th. Look. Then it goes back to the B. That's the whole chord progression for that transition. B, C sharp at 9 and 11, D at 10 and 12, back to B. Alright, and that goes into the 3rd and final section. It's not, you know, they repeat all these sections. It's your job to go through and figure out when to play, you know, each section. But these are, you know, this is it. The final chord progression is this one. Give it some feeling. It just starts on the A, at the 5 and 7, and jumps down string sets to the 5th, your A and D string. You get and this is a D chord. Then you jump up to the B chord, which we already had. I think it repeats like 3 times. I think. Alright, so that should get you through that song by the Black Angels. Just because we're singing about evil things doesn't make us evil. Alright, it's just the song. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.